Okay, class, so this first problem is we need to translate each given parallelogram such that one vertex of the image is located at the origin and label the vertices of the translated image. Then determine the perimeter, round your answer to the nearest hundredth if necessary. Okay, so remember that a parallelogram looks like this. It has two sets of parallel lines, and opposite sides are congruent and opposite angles are congruent. Okay, so there's our parallelogram, and this parallelogram, ABCD, has been translated so that A is at the origin right there. So if we want to figure out the perimeter of a parallelogram is the same as the perimeter of a rectangle. We could add up all of the sides, or we could use our formula 2 times length plus width. And so all we need to do is figure out what is the length and what is the width. So after we translate it, we can look at A prime D prime, and we see that this length is 3. Now we just need this length right here. And so when we plug this into distance formula, we're going to be plugging it in using the points 3, 4, and 0, 0. So that's why we have x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. That's distance formula. We plug in 3 minus 0 squared plus 4 minus 0 squared. We get 3 squared plus 4 squared, 9 plus 16, that's 25. Square root of 25 is 5. So that means this side length right here is 5. And now when we plug that into our formula for perimeter, we get 2 times 5 plus 3, which is 2 times 8, which is 16.